Hello friends, Namaste. In today's video, I'm going to teach a new art form from Uttranchal, which is in North India. It's called Aipan. Some people call it Aipan, some people call it Alpana. It's a traditional art form. The floor or the wall is given a burnt umber color, or in Hindi we call it geru, and on the top of geru these traditional designs are made. Marriages, different occasions have different aipan. So we are starting our class with the basic. I have taken a red color paper, I have cut it into square piece, and then I am going to fold it to find the center of the paper. So let's start. First we are going to draw a border. To draw a border, we will draw first line. I am drawing half millimeter, and Aipan was drawn basically with these three fingers. Okay, so ladies used to draw these three fingers and lines like this. So in Aipan art, we have, to draw Aipan art, we will need white paint, eraser, pencil, compass, scale, brush. If you have dotting tool, then it's okay. Otherwise, we can use back side of the brush, water and a towel to wipe the brush. Now, I have drawn lines here, three lines. I will find out the center of this paper. So, there is a very simple method. We will fold the paper. Then again we will fold the paper. And then again. So we got the markings. Now we'll open it, and the point of intersection is our center of the paper. So I'm pinning it here, and taking this as center, I'm drawing a circle. So you can draw circles of any size, but each circle will have three lines. So first circle and second circle. We can draw any number of circles. Aipan is traditionally drawn with the rice powder or chalk, or we call it khadiya. That is how we used to draw in my childhood. But nowadays we are drawing on the paper, so we are using poster color, acrylic paint, this kind of pen, anything we can use. Traditionally, Aipan were drawn on the floor or on the wall. Our basic outline work is over. Now we'll start drawing the design. So in the center, I am drawing a flower, 5-petal flower. In the center of each U, I am drawing a dot. To draw the petals, I am marking dots in pencil so that I know where each petal should come. And In our next circle, we are drawing this design, and it's very simple. In Aipan Art, dots are commonly used. We are going to draw some dots here. We are going to draw border. So first I am drawing triangles. And then each triangle I am going to draw three lines. And petal. So each triangle will have three lines. I am making the final border, a very simple design. You can do this with pen also. Now we are going to draw some dots around the circle. So this is the white paint I have. Hello friends, our Aipan is ready and I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. Namaste.